Hazrat Abu Qatada radiyallahu anhu states, "We went out along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam until we reached Qaha. Some of us were muhrim and some of us were not muhrim. All of a sudden, I saw that my companions were looking at something. I found it was an onager. I saddled my horse, took my lance and mounted it. By chance, I dropped my whip. I said to my companions, 'Hand me my whip.' They were all muhrims. They said, 'By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we will not help you in this matter at all.' I dismounted, picked up the whip, and again mounted. I chased it and caught it from behind while he was behind a knoll. I struck it with the spear and cut its hamstring and brought it to my companions. Some of the companions said, 'Consume it,' and some of them said, 'Do not consume it.' The Prophet ﷺ was ahead of us. I moved my horse and reached him. He ﷺ said, 'It is lawful, consume it.' Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2843.